Have you ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through TikTok, watching video after video, and wondering if there's something more? You see the trends, you see the dances, you see the viral moments. But what if I told you that beneath the surface of all that entertainment, there's a massive financial revolution happening right now, and you're perfectly positioned to be a part of it? What if I told you that the time you're already spending on the app could be transformed from a simple pastime into a powerful income stream? We've all been there. It's late at night, the world is quiet, and it's just you and the glow of your phone. You see creators with massive followings, and you see others who seem to have cracked some kind of code, turning their content into a full-time career. It can feel like everyone's getting rich on TikTok, except you. You might feel a pang of frustration, a sense of being left behind, wondering, what do they know that I don't? Well, I'm here to tell you exactly what they know, and more importantly, how you can use that same knowledge to change your own financial future. The feeling of being on the outside looking in stops today. The answer isn't some complicated, unattainable secret reserved for the internet famous. It's a powerful, accessible, and game-changing tool that TikTok has rolled out, and it's called the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program. This is the single biggest reason you're seeing a new wave of creators, many with just a few thousand followers, generating life-changing income. They haven't just cracked a code, they've been handed the key. This program fundamentally changes the relationship between creators and the platform. It's a direct invitation from TikTok to partner with them, to move beyond the traditional creator economy of brand deals and sponsorships, and to step into the world of e-commerce without ever needing to hold inventory, ship a product, or handle customer service. It's the bridge between your creativity and real, tangible commerce. So, what exactly is it? In simple terms, the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program is a system that's paying creators generous commissions for promoting products sold directly on the TikTok platform. We're not talking about a few pennies per thousand views. We're talking about substantial, meaningful commissions, often ranging from 10 to 25% on every single sale you generate. Think about that. For every $100 in products you help sell, you could be earning up to $25 directly into your pocket. This isn't a vague promise of future brand deals. This is a direct, trackable, and immediate way to monetize your content. It's a performance-based model where your creativity and influence are directly rewarded with cold, hard cash. This is the critical distinction. For years, the primary goal on social media has been to accumulate likes, comments, and followers. We've been conditioned to chase vanity metrics. But while you're posting for likes, a new generation of smart creators are posting for sales. They've shifted their mindset from being entertainers to being entrepreneurs. They understand that a view is no longer just a view, it's a potential customer. A like is no longer just a like, it's an expression of interest that can be converted into a sale. They are leveraging the exact same tools you have the ability to post videos, but they're using them with a strategic purpose, earning thousands of dollars in the process. They're not just building an audience, they're building a business, one video at a time. And how are they doing it? By seamlessly promoting products directly in their videos. You've probably already seen this in your own feed. It's that little orange shopping cart icon on a video. When a viewer taps that link, they can browse and buy the featured product without ever leaving the TikTok app. It's a frictionless shopping experience, and you, as the creator, are the trusted guide. The best part? The barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need millions of followers. In most regions, with just 1,000 followers, you can apply and start earning commissions on an enormous catalog of products, covering everything from cutting-edge skincare and makeup to the latest tech gadgets, home goods, and fashion. If you can talk about a product you love, you can do this. Now, let's talk about the numbers, because this is where the opportunity becomes crystal clear. Let's take that $10,000 goal. It sounds like a huge, intimidating number, right? But let's break it down. The math is simple. If you focus on promoting products that offer a solid 20% commission, which is very common on the platform, what does it actually take to reach that goal? To earn $10,000 in commission, you only need to generate $50,000 in total product sales. Now, $50,000 might still sound like a lot, but remember, you're on a platform with over 1 billion users. You're not selling to your friends and family. You're selling to a global audience. If you promote a popular $50 product, you only need to sell 1,000 units. That's not 1,000 sales from one video. That's 1,000 sales over time, across all your videos. A single viral video that gets 1 million views could potentially sell that many units in a matter of days. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's a formula. It's a tangible, achievable target when you leverage the massive scale of the TikTok algorithm. This is a pivotal moment. The platform is heavily investing in e-commerce, and early adopters are the ones who will benefit the most. The opportunity is right here, right now. Every video you post without a linked product is a potential sale lost. Every day you wait is a day someone else is capturing the audience you could be reaching. It's time to stop leaving money on the table. It's time to stop being just a consumer of content and become a creator of income. In this course, I'm going to give you the exact playbook to do it. We're going to cover everything, from setting up your account, to finding winning products, to creating videos that actually convert viewers into customers. It's time to turn your content into cash.